Hello everyone, in this tutorial I just want to give you an introduction about the models of programming. So we've got structured programming and object-oriented programming. Later in the course you will be more familiar with these two concepts, but in this tutorial I just want to give you an introduction about these two models of programming. So what is structured programming? In structured programming, blocks of programming statements are executed one after another. Control statements, which I am going to explain later in this section, change which blocks of code are executed next. So, what is object-oriented programming? In object-oriented programming, data are contained within the objects, okay, and are accessed using special methods specific to the type of object. There is no flow of the program as objects can freely interact with one another by passing messages to each other, okay? So as I said earlier in this video, this is just an introduction to these concepts. Don't worry if this doesn't make any sense to you. Later in the course, you will be actually a master of object-oriented concepts. So thanks for watching.